Happy holidays, Raw family. Sorry I couldn't show my face today. I know everyone is busy trying to get their last minute Christmas shopping done and also get their dinner prepared. I just wanted to come on real quick. I had told you guys that I would be making crab cakes for my appetizer for my Christmas dinner. So I just want to come on and show you guys how to do a quick Remoulade Sauce, Remoulade, that goes great with crab cakes. So I'm doing it now like your sauces that has some type of vinegary base in it. You can do 2 days ahead of time, and that way the flavors will really marinate nicely. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. And it's going to be very easy and simple. I have here 1 lemon. I have horseradish. I have Creole mustard. I have garlic, granulated garlic. I have almonds, mayonnaise. I have smoked paprika. I have Tabasco for that nice little kick. And I have sweet gherkins. And the only thing I'm going to use out of that is the juice. You can use a sweet or a dill juice for this recipe. But I think sweet would go better because it would balance out all of the strong flavors. And here I have Cajun seasoning, and of course my little sugar container, which I'm only going to use very small amount to really marinate all the flavors together. So all we're going to do is measure out each of the ingredients, put it in a bowl with a wire whisk. I am so sorry, you guys. I mean, I'm running on overload. A wire whisk. Then we're going to mix it all together, put it in a jar, and put it in the refrigerator. So when I do my crab cakes on Friday, the flavor of the sauce will be super, super nice with the crab cakes. All right, let me get everything measured off, and I'll come back. Okay, Royal family, here is the finished product of the Remoulade sauce that we are actually going to do for the crab cakes tomorrow. As I stated before, this recipe is really simple, so delicious when you pair it with crab cakes. And the longer it stays in the refrigerator, the better the flavor gets. So tomorrow I will come back and I will show you guys how to do the crab cakes. I might be able to fry maybe 1 or 2 and then show it to you with the Remoulade sauce. But anyway, if you're going through any of my videos that you're wanting to make for your holiday table, and if you don't quite understand the recipe or the ingredients, please put it down in the comment box below or message me, and I will get back to you because I really want you to have a great holiday dinner. Again, this is the sauce for the crab cakes, the Remoulade sauce for the crab cakes that I will be making tomorrow. Until then, please share and subscribe. Make sure the notification bell is on, and you guys stay safe. Until tomorrow, God bless you.